Python libraries, what they are and why they are important. Introduction. Programming has become increasingly important in today's society and is used in many areas, such as education, science, healthcare, and technology. Among the various programming languages available, Python stands out for its simplicity and ease of learning. One of the main reasons for its popularity is the existence of libraries, which allow programmers to develop applications more quickly and efficiently. This paper explains what Python libraries are, why they are important, and how they can be imported into a program. Development. Libraries are very important tools in the Python programming language. A library is a collection of code created by other programmers that can be used to perform specific tasks. Instead of writing all the code from scratch, programmers can use these tools to work more quickly and efficiently. Libraries are important because they help solve complex problems with less effort. For example, there are libraries for performing mathematical calculations, creating graphs, analyzing data, developing websites, and even working with artificial intelligence. Some of the most well-known libraries are Math, which is used for mathematical operations, Pandas, which is used for data analysis, and Matplotlib, which is used for creating graphs and visualizations. To use a library in Python, it must first be imported into the program using the import keyword. For example, import math. After importing the library, its functions can be used. The following example calculates the square root of a number. Import math. Result equals math.square-root-25. Print result. It is also possible to import only a specific function from a library. From math, import squirt. Print squirt 25. In this way, it is not necessary to write the name of the library every time the function is used. Conclusion. In conclusion, libraries play a fundamental role in Python programming because they simplify tasks, increase productivity, and reduce the time required to develop programs. Thanks to these tools, programmers can focus on solving problems without having to create every feature from scratch. Therefore, understanding what libraries are and knowing how to import them is an essential skill for anyone beginning to learn Python programming.